Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add scroll animated section on your Shopify store completely free in less than 5 minutes? That's exactly how to do it. And this is exactly how it looks like. Once you scroll down, as you can see, it reveals and zooms out on the zoom in on the product. And not just this, multiple styles. Check out this one too. It's a little bit transparent, it inherits the background of your picture, and this one as well. So it has many styles that you can set from one section. That's exactly what I want to show you in this video. And without any more talking, let's get jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is click on online store, then click on themes, then click on the three dots beside edit theme and duplicate the theme. This is very important, so in case something happened, you can easily get back to the previous version. So make sure to duplicate the theme. After you do so, click on the three dots for the duplicated theme and click on edit code. For me, I'm gonna do it on the main publish theme. And after it open up the code editor, you see this folder right here. It says section. As you can see, simply right click on it, then click on new file, and it will create a new file in here. And make sure you name it animated-scroll.liquid. Make sure you add the file extension at the end, which is .liquid. This is very important, otherwise it would not work. Now click on done. It will create the file completely empty. In here we need to pass in the code. We're going to get the code for the description box. Scroll down the description box and you will see my website. Click on it and it will open up this link right here. Then scroll down a little bit and make sure to click on this button to copy the whole code. Get back in here. Sorry about that. Get back in here in code editor and paste it in the code editor. Now click on save. Wait for a couple of seconds. Hit save it. Get back to the theme editor and click on edit theme button right here for the duplicated theme where you added the section, of course. So in my case, I'm gonna hide this one because this is just the normal hero banner. Now we simply where you want to add the section. In my case, I want to add it in as the banner, so I'm going to click on hover on the plus button, then click on add section to template and simply click search for cinematic. Here it is, as you can see, cinematic scroll hero. Click on it and it will show you the black screen. So there is a couple of options here to adjust: background color, text color. There is a heading, as you saw in the demonstration. There is also a subheading, and you can set the size for the heading, also the center, right or left, and the text for description as well, center or left or whatever. And this is the background picture, which is the background that has the palm trees in the sky. So I'm going to select the same picture in here. Here it is. And the overlay picture, make sure it's transparent. I added some descriptions here so you can understand. So make sure it's transparent picture. So just like this one I have, let me show you. I have this picture for the shoes, which is transparent. So I'm gonna click on done. And in here, there is some sizes for heading size, subheading size, letter spacing, and the transform, which is uppercase or lowercase, whatever you want, and the color as well. So in here, there is some visual effect you can play around with. I will keep all these by default, play around with them, then see which one you like the most. And the overlay blend mode, this one is multiply, which is the styles I showed you earlier. Sorry about that, this one. So the styles I showed you earlier. Each one has a different style. So just pick the style you like and make sure to implement it. In my case, I'm gonna do just multiply so I can show you what's wrong with my screen. Let me click on save and reload the page. I apologize about that. All right, back in the game. So where we were here, multiply. So I will select multiply, and if I did now and I scroll down, as you can see, the effect, it inherits the background picture, which is really cool. So each one is actually a different style in here. As you can see, the screen and also the overlay is a different style, as you can see. So in my case, I'm gonna keep it normal. It doesn't add any effect. And below is the animations as well. So the animations is zoom through, which is when you scroll down, it zooms on the objects. You can select zoom through, parallax drift, or fade reveal. This is a preference again. And the scroll distance, I would recommend you to keep this by default and see if it suits your purpose. In my case, I'm gonna add this one 22, so it will zoom in more, or 23 as well. So below is the option full screen, large, medium, which is the section, the layout for the section. I'm gonna keep all this by default. I'm gonna click on done. Now let me preview the page and see how it looks like. I forgot one last thing, which is the button. In here, you see a block called CTA button. Click on it and you can change the text for the button. The link I'm gonna set for collection or footwear. and also the style button color, and the sizes. I'm gonna keep them all by default. And this is how it looks like, as you can see, without using any apps, by using your own custom code and completely free. If you have any questions or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to drop me an email below, or check out the link, the contact in the description, or reach out to me using the email in the about page. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.